welcome back to my channel. I'm Joss'n and this is Just Joss'n YouTube channel. So for today, all we're going to do today is a quick DIY on sanitizing solution, how to make your own. So it's a really simple recipe. You only need, well, 2 ingredients and 1 spray bottle, right, to get your item. So spray bottles. I got this one in the travel section. It was really cheap, it was $1, but you can get any spray bottle that you like. Ideally, you do want a bigger one, so it can last longer, because the original recipe is 4 cups of water to 1 teaspoon. Today I had to downsize the water, or the recipe amount, so it can fit into my spray bottle. So my spray bottle could only fit 1.5 cups of water, so the teaspoon I made it down to 1/4 instead of 1. So to get started, you need a spray bottle. Then you have your water. Of course, you want to be careful not to make a mess. And this sanitizing solution is really good. You can use it and spray it your countertops or your cutting boards. When you spray, of course, you want to wipe with a clean towel. Throw away that towel once used and let it sit for 2 minutes before using that area. So now we have our teaspoon. Gotta be really careful. I have a plate just in case I spill. Yeah, because bleach does stain your clothes. You really do want to be careful. Alright, we got our bleach. Put back into the spray bottle. You can maybe stir it a bit, shake it a bit. If you do shake it, do close your spray bottle. You don't want anything leaking. So shake. And now you're ready. So let's move this aside and let's put it to the test. So when using this DIY solution, you can use it, of course, on your countertops and cutting boards. So you want to clean your area before anytime, if you're cooking or prepping for a meal, you do always want to clean your area. Food safety, right? But ideally, you do want to open it. There we go. We got the spray. You're going to wipe it down. Got some on my table. And let it stand for 2 minutes before using your area. Or your cutting board. But that's it. That's today's DIY. It's a quick one. Again, it's a DIY sanitizing solution, and you can get the recipe by joining the Fabric Life Facebook group, where I have more videos, more demos, more education just for you. But bye guys, till next time.